advanced exam. September last week you will have advanced exam. Till September last week, please, I repeat once again, maths ka to notes, and after the session is over, that means after 27th, prepare, as I told you earlier, what the topics which you are not comfortable, these 2-3 days also, please go through the topics which you are not comfortable, not those topics in which you are strong enough. Please go through the topics that you are not comfortable. Important. Last time, yeah, I think I don't remember the session exactly. I think it was March session. In one exam, he gave 4 questions from matrices and determinants. 4 questions from matrices and determinants. Matrices, determinants, sequence and series, quadratic equations, expressions. These 3 are top 3 important topics. All of you. Matrices, yes, matrices and determinants, quadratic equations, sequence and series. Very, very, very important. Please give these 3 topics a thorough thrash. A hard thrash.
Yes, sir.
Samad?
Yes, sir.
ఎగ్జామ్ రేపే ఉన్నది. ఒకసారి జరా ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ డిటర్మినెంట్స్ అవన్నీ రాత్రి కూర్చొని ఒకసారి మొత్తం నోట్స్ అంతా రివైజ్ చేయ ఒకసారి. అర్థమైందా? నోట్స్ లో మెథడ్లు, ఫార్ములాలు అన్ని ఒకసారి go through the notes, give thorough thrashing for these chapters. Along with that, vectors and 3D also. Vectors and 3D నుంచి కూడా he is asking 2-3 questions.
Yes, sir.
మొత్తం నోట్స్ ఒకసారి I asked you to prepare, to keep a separate book, prepare formula list and all. I don't know how far you have done that.
Yes, sir.
Generally, if you are in hostel, what they do is they generally exchange notes and read each other's points which they have prepared. But since that is not possible, you can use technology also. You can ask your friend to send you the formulae and you can send him, exchange, read. And do not get struck up on a given problem. Definitely there will be 5 problems in maths which will be lengthy of stature. You should be in a position after writing so many exams, definitely you will have an idea which problem is lengthy and which problem is not. Do not attempt to touch. Do not attempt to touch. Adnan, I can see you.
Yes, sir.
Do not attempt to touch those problems of lengthy stature. Skip them, move ahead, go to the next one. And preferable order, which I generally suggest, is chemistry, maths, physics. 30-40 minutes maths, 40 minutes maths, 40 minutes max. You should get away from chemistry. 1 hour 10 minutes maths, 1 hour 10 minutes physics. Do not get stuck up on a problem. If you feel that a problem is lengthy, this seems to be thoda lengthy problem, skip it, move it, go to the next one. Don't get stuck on a given problem. At the end of the day, remember, while finishing of the paper, you might have read all the 90 questions. I think for you it is 30 questions, no?
Yes, sir.
30 with 5 choice in numerical type.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the 90 questions you should have read. 3 hours khatam, paper khatam karke, when just say submit and get up from your seat, definitely you might have read all the 90 questions. Please do not leave any question untouched. Untouched mane unread.
Yes, sir.
Every problem has to be read. Then only you can increase your score. And try to be logically sound enough in some problems where if you feel that, say for example, problem में एक variable दिया, if he has given a variable in the problem, say problem में there is a problem which is involving some A, B, C. He hasn't put any condition. If he has said A, B, C are distinct, they are all real numbers. A, B, C distinct. Best options A minus 1, B 0, C 1. डाल के पहले problem check करो. Check it. If he hasn't said A, B, C distinct, then put A1, B1, C1. If he hasn't said there is no condition on A, B, C, just he has given A, B, C, put A0, B0, C0. Check it. Elimination method. 4 option में first नहीं हो सकता, second नहीं हो सकता. Answer is B and C. जरूर एक लग जाएगा. You please take a chance if you are sure, confident enough कि आंसर A नहीं हो सकता, D नहीं हो सकता, आंसर A, B, C में है, then take a chance. चारों भी कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा, चारों look, all the 4 look very different and distinct, then don't take a chance of putting some option or the other. That will be risky. Elimination में अगर A, B नहीं हुआ, then you can take a chance. This logic will be very useful when you go to chemistry. But the problem is chemistry में all of them look same.
Yes, sir.
Geometry में go through first year geometry, concentrate on second year. Circles, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Concentrate on these 4 topics.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Calculus में both DC and AC. And one more thing, go through mean value theorems also. Lagrange rules.
Yes, sir.
Lagrange notes, एक बार notes पढ़ो अच्छा. Lagrange and Rolle's theorem, very important. एक क्वेश्चन आता है उसमें से. And applications of Leibniz rule, differentiation under integration sign, d by dx of integral f of x to g of x, phi of t dt, phi of f of x into f dash x minus phi of g of x into d dash x. Go through its applications, because generally there will be no mains paper, no advanced paper without applications of Leibniz theorem. Leibniz rule is very important. Go through its applications. Circles में, parabola में, ellipse में, hyperbola में, writing equations under various conditions. Go through that thoroughly. He'll give you some conditions and say write the circle equation. Some conditions, write parabola equation. Some conditions, ellipse equation. Some condition, hyperbola equation. Writing equations is very important rather than tangent and normal. Mains exam के लिए. Writing an equation under given conditions, that is very important. Please go through them thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Incoming, those who are studying second year are more in this. समान नंबर सबको पास कर दिए.
सर वो लोग आते बोले तो मैं भी आ जाओ बोला सर.
Anything more to ask? So use elimination method in maths. Use छोटा छोटा tricks.
Yes,
वो
sir.
ABC वाला जो टेक्निक्स बोला वो सब प्रॉब्लम्स में अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करो.
Yes, sir.
और कुछ एनीथिंग टू आस्क?
No, sir.
Anand, open your
Yes,
mic,
sir.
man. When is your exam?
Sir, 25th, sir. 25th.
Don't worry about percentiles. Don't worry about marks and all. अपना अपना काम करना बस. कर्म करो, फल की इच्छा ना करो. Our duty is
Yes,
to
sir.
study. In fact, recently, even if you get admission into non-IITs, I don't know whether I should tell this at this point of time or not. I'm not sure, but still I'm revealing. IIT Chennai, सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The data science is very hot nowadays. Data science is a branch of computer science. IIT Chennai is giving a 3-year course or 6 semesters. 6-semester course for students in data science. They are not giving it just for free for everybody. They are conducting an entrance exam. If you qualify in that entrance, then you will be given admission into first semester. Recently, 3 Sundays back, this entrance exam was held at Eon Digital Maulali. Both my sons went there, wrote the exam. They both got qualified. So they'll be given admission into first semester. All the classes will be held online. Listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At the end of the first semester, you should write an exam. That exam will be conducted again in Eon Digital. It is not that exam you sit at home and write. If you sit at home, he knows what you will do. You will Google everything and get the answers. Full copy. Therefore, what he is doing is, you got admission into first semester. First, you should write entrance, get qualified, attend classes online. First semester is over. At the end of first semester, he will again conduct one exam. That exam will be again in Eon Digital. You should go and write. If you pass the exam, then he will give admission into second semester. If you fail, pass and fail stands for he'll give a cutoff. Say for example, you should cross 60%. If you cross 60% only, he'll give admission into second semester. Again, second semester exam online, teaching online. That means apart from your degree, even though, say for example, it's only an example, please don't feel otherwise. Say for example, you got admission into some NIT where you are doing civil engineering, but you wanted to do computer science. Then a course of this kind from IIT Chennai will really help you. It will add up to your CV. Strong. So there are many avenues, many opportunities. It is how you utilize them and use them. And this is not free of cost, obviously. He'll charge something. I think for first semester, my son said it's around 16,000 for first semester. Second semester, some 28,000 or something like that. I'm not sure. I don't know the fee structure. But likewise, it is not that you should do all 6 semesters. 4 semester ke baad you want to stop. You can stop. All those 4 semesters, what all courses you did, you will be given certificates. That certificate will be awarded from IIT Chennai. So it's a nice way. You can always upgrade yourself. So many avenues, many opportunities are there. But ultimately, the best thing is getting admission into an NIT or an IIT with a good percentile. So keep working on that. All the best.
Thank you.
Write the exam
Thank you,
well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Anything more to ask?
No, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Someone number ask. Senior कहते हुए चलता कुछ ना होता पूछो.
Okay, sir.
पूछो someone number.
1 minute, sir. सर IIT में इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्वेश्चंस आते सर.
IIT में
जेई मेंस में सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्वेश्चंस आते क्या सर? पूछ रहा.
it is not that आते. Sometimes they work out. They may not work out also. But generally he prepares a paper in such a way that those substitutions need not work. But if you are logically strong enough कर सकते थोड़े problems में. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा in 30 questions एक आध दो maximum 2 you can do that way.
Okay, sir. Also, sir, one more thing.
The other day, someone number. The other day we did one problem. Tangents are drawn to a parabola at PQR.
Yes, sir.
Then area of the triangle. Then I told you a Chor method.
Yes, sir.
Methods of that kind will definitely work out. It's an IIT question, in fact.
Okay, sir. Nice. Sir, also one more thing I wanted to ask. I got to hear some rumors or truth, I don't know, sir, that JEE pattern change, exam pattern. What is it all about, sir?
What do you mean by change in pattern, man?
Exam pattern change. Like in JEE main only, JEE main 75 questions, and he included.
Hello. For you,
Yes,
MS is conducting 75 questions type.
yes,
But
sir.
JEE mains it is not 75 questions, 90 questions.
But now he changed to 75 question, it seems, sir. Online, I checked at 2-3 places, it is showing that.
As far as my knowledge goes, the pattern which he has followed in February and March, same thing he'll follow these 2 times also, July and August sessions also. He'll not change the pattern in the middle.
I was asking for us, sir.
For us, it will change, no, sir.
For us,
I don't know. For us, for you, what's going to happen, how we know, man. Too early to comment on that.
sure, sir. Yes.
For you, I think he may not conduct these 4 exams, man. 4 exams is really headache for him. He is now regretting that why he has announced 4 exams. For you, he may switch back to 2 exam type. 2 exam type only is good, man. This 4 exam is really headache. Too much pressure on the student.
Yes, sir.
It's only a speculation. I'm not sure what he is going to do. That you will know only in the month of, say, somewhere December ending and all. Not before that.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. For all outgoing seniors, all the best. And please ping me in the group, or you can send a message one-on-one also on WhatsApp how you wrote the exam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. All the best. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, bye.
Sir, pray for us, sir.
Definitely. Already I go to temple on every Friday, man. Last week I prayed. I'll go this time also 23rd. I'll pray for those who wrote exam on 20 and 22 also. Don't worry. My prayers are always with you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.